RAM upgrade, and deep cleaning on HP Pavilion 15 EC006-3X gaming laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Shauna, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your gaming laptop to a professional shop for a RAM upgrade and deep cleaning is an excellent decision to enhance its performance, reliability, and overall lifespan. Professional technicians have the expertise to ensure the RAM upgrade is fully compatible with your device and properly installed, optimizing the laptop's speed responsiveness and ability to handle multitasking or demanding applications such as gaming, streaming, and content creation. A deep cleaning performed by experts goes beyond surface-level maintenance. It involves carefully removing dust, debris, and dirt that accumulate inside the laptop over time, particularly around the cooling fans, vents, and heat sinks. This process improves the laptop's cooling efficiency, reduces the risk of overheating, and prevents performance throttling during resource-intensive tasks. Additionally, deep cleaning can help protect internal components from long-term damage caused by dust buildup, ensuring your laptop remains reliable and efficient. Opting for professional service also provides peace of mind as technicians use specialized tools and follow precise methods to handle your laptop with care, minimizing any risks during the upgrade or cleaning process. This proactive approach not only restores and improves your laptop's functionality, but also prepares it to perform at its best for gaming and other demanding tasks. Investing in professional RAM upgrades and deep cleaning is a valuable step in maintaining the performance, durability, and overall experience of your gaming laptop. RAM upgrade and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your RAM upgrade and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.